How to fix Windows screen blinking issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Windows screen blinking issue. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, before we begin, you guys might need to know why this occurs. So there are two reasons, and one is software related issue, which is your driver related issue, which has a really easy fix. The other issue might be because your hardware is damaged. So you might want to get your device's display checked. If it's a software related issue, just head over to your settings, search bar, and then search for control panel. After you're on control panel, you will need to head over to your device manager. Head over to device manager. And after you're on your device manager, you should see your display adapters. Expand on it and you should see your graphics. Open that up and head over to your drivers. Now all you need to do is you will need to update your driver. Now you can search for automatically for drivers, or what you can do is you can browse in your own computer for drivers. So after you find a driver, simply update it and you're basically good to go. And that is how you fix this issue, guys. Now, if you do have an hardware related issue, you might want to get it checked and replaced. And yeah, with that, this is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.